What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I just closed out a video literally half a second ago. Today we got a new part in and we're gonna be installing it. Today we are going to be installing some rear window louvers. I never thought I would ever put some louvers on, but I saw a few videos and I like it. I think it looks good, so I pulled the trigger, I bought it, I test fitted it, it fits great. It's actually a little different than what everybody else has. It is not from Easy Splitters. I will put the link in the description below. And it looks great. It looks so good. It really transforms the whole rear end of the car. So let's go ahead and get the car pulled into the garage, backed in, and I'm gonna go inside and get the part, clean up the window, get it installed. Hopefully all goes well. Before we head outside, I got some new parts in, actually. So let's see, let's go ahead and get them open. So let's go ahead and start with this one. To be honest, I know what one of them is, I think. The other one, I forgot what I ordered. But let's see. So, okay, so let me know if you guys want me to make a video installing this, but this is, I don't really know the name of it, but it's for your battery, as you can see, and then this goes right in here. Let me know if you guys want to see a video. I bought this because mine is pretty bad, pretty worn out, and my car keeps dying because of it. So let me know if you guys want a video of that. Oh, baby! Yeah, baby! Dude, they were supposed to be here until March 6th. Oh my God, this is a great day. Oh, baby! We're gonna make a video on this, obviously, but damn. They were not supposed to be here until the 6th of March. It's only February 24th. We got the carbon fiber mirror caps, boys. Oh, they look great. We're definitely gonna get these bad boys installed very. I just got the window all cleaned up. So right here we have the louvers, and let's go ahead and get it pulled out. Let's see. All right, so there they are. This is the hardware that it actually comes with. So pretty much the cool thing is it looks like it's interchangeable, or not interchangeable, but I can take it on, put it off. It's not just stuck to the window. And this is it right here. There they are. So this is gonna look bad. This is not the Easy Splitter ones. I love the design. I think this looks a lot more aggressive in my opinion. So I'm super stoked. I've already held it up to the car, or put it on sort of, when I got it in the mail, and this is gonna look so good. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see what all it comes with. So this is everything it comes with. So it looks like you have, I don't really know what this is. I think this just goes along the trim or the perimeter of it. These are gonna be stuck throughout the window. Oh man, yeah. These are gonna be stuck throughout the window. As you can see, they have these little tabs because it's gonna be right here, okay? And then it has these little hardware, yeah, kind of like, it looks like actually kind of like those bike stand things that you put, and then it'll screw right on and keeps that in place. So when you need to clean your window or whatever, just unscrew every one, take that off, and you're good. And then it comes with this, which is an adhesion promoter. So we're gonna put this pretty much wherever it is, we're gonna be sticking those things down. So where do we begin? I don't know, but I'm gonna air the car out. That way it's a little lower, easier to work with. And then I think we're gonna put those little tabs on every one. And then just kind of just put it on and then take this off. That'll leave those pieces on. And then I think that's what we're gonna do. But let's go ahead and get the car aired out and then we'll go on from there. She looks so good, boys. Oh my God. Okay, so we don't need this. Let's go ahead and start placing these on. So I believe this is pretty much just gonna sit like that, but the other way. So like that. I think that's how it would go on. No, actually, maybe it does go on like this. Let's see. Like that? But it sticks out. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be. Let me see if these are all the same. Looks like it. Yeah. They all look the exact same. So, yeah, I guess we just start putting them on. I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quickly. And then, I guess we'll place it on, make sure everything looks good, and if it does, we'll take it back off. We'll put adhesion promoter along the whole perimeter of where everything's pretty much supposed to go, and then we'll get this bad boy on. All right, guys, so we have everything down. Just need to really tighten them all the way, and in the process of doing this, I noticed that this one actually is cracked. So I'm actually going to plastic weld this back together. Because I'm not gonna ship it back. That's gonna just suck. So I'm gonna plastic weld that back together. I'll probably do that once we get these actually stuck on. So from here, I think also this, kind of just goes around the perimeter. So yeah, so it doesn't scratch up the window and whatever. Yeah, so the whole thing is completely attached. I have all of these little nuts off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set you guys up. We're gonna get this thing pulled off, and then I'm gonna bring it, I'm gonna set it right here upside down. I'm gonna plastic weld that because we actually had two brakes, one there, one here, same spots. Not a big deal, it is what it is. And then I need to figure out what's up with this. I feel like this is supposed to stay down. I don't wanna sticky tape it just because then that defeats the purpose of all of this, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna figure that out, maybe just heat it up, push it down, and then you know, maybe it'll just kind of stay. So let's get you set up and get this pulled off. But damn, check that thing out, guys. There we go. Whew, looks good. All right, guys, it's all done. Everything's bolted down in place. This, I put tape on to keep it right there, but it's just not wanting to stay. Don't know why that is. I'll have to figure something else out. Maybe I can make something similar to like these, just drill a little hole and then kind of hold it in place. But they should have done that. I don't know why they didn't, whatever. So let's go ahead, get her pulled out. Actually, first, I'm gonna put the 326 wing on, see how it's gonna look, and then let's get it pulled out and see how she looks. There it is, guys. So that's how it looks with the 326 wing. Comment down below, let me know. Do you guys like it? Oh, that looks crazy. So I'm gonna do something with the taillights, guys, because they pop a lot. I think we're gonna maybe put like a light tint on them, a film, or a red film on it, possibly. Probably, I don't know yet. We'll see. But that's it. That's how it looks with the wing. I'm gonna take a few pictures because this shit looks really good. All right, guys. So, yeah, you can still see a lot. That's what it looks like. And here. still can see literally everything. I need to fix that. I'm doing a pulley, idler pulley delete. I have everything inside ready to go, so ooh, that sound is horrible. So embarrassing and annoying and all the above. Makes it really dark in the back. That's kind of cool. Oh, sorry guys, sorry. There it is, guys. Damn, dude. That looks tight. I freaking love it. Oh, that looks so good. So good. She's coming together, boys. All right, guys, so that's where I'm gonna go ahead and leave today's video off. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up, guys. It really does help me and the channel out a lot. Subscribe if you guys aren't already, and stay tuned because there's a lot more to come. The 326 wing possibly gonna be going on. I don't know yet. Side skirt's still gonna be wrapped soon, and then as you saw, we have the carbon fiber mirror caps that are going to be going on very soon. And once those two things right there and the side skirts are done, pretty much the car for the most part is complete, but obviously we're going to start making things even better as time goes on. Interior changes going down as well. So hit that bell notification if you guys want to stay up to date with all of the videos every time your boy drops one. And hope to catch you all in the next video. Hopefully this thing doesn't fly off. I guess we'll find out in the morning on the way to work. Hope to catch you all in the next one. And until next time, as always, peace out.